Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. Big Wes here. It's gonna be a quick rip. I got some, picked up a hanger pack of 2021 Select Football. I'm gonna dig into this, see what we can get, see if we can get lucky. Let's do this. Show me the way to go home. I'm tired and I wanna go to bed. All right, you guys, here we go. Let's see if we can snag something here. And leading it off with a rookie card of Michael Carter. Miles Sanders. Micah Parsons. Rookie card. Ooh. What is this? There we go. Gotta get that one sleeved. Not too bad. Not too shabby on that. Ugh, I can't get this in here. There we go. Micah Parsons. And right underneath it, we got a Trevor Lawrence rookie card. I'm not too sure about the centering on this one. T-Law. T-Law rookie card. And we got the man here. Tom Brady. Baker Mayfield. Trey Sermon, rookie card. Daniel Jones. Ooh, nice. We got a Justin Herbert. That's a die cut prism. Die cut prism, Justin Herbert. Nice card. And once again, we got the GOAT. Greatest of all time. Tom Brady. Numbers. We got a Terrace Marshall Jr. rookie card. Going into the die cuts. Chuba Hubbard. Rookie card. Hubbard, excuse me. Ryan Tannehill. There we go. Trevor Lawrence. Rookie card. Get that one there. Nice looking card there. Trevor Lawrence. Sweet. It's been a pretty good pack so far. Can't complain. Shi Smith. Rookie card. Prism. Die cut. These are pretty cool. I actually like those die cuts. We got a rookie card of Jamar Jefferson. Rondale Moore, rookie card. Jonathan Taylor. Amon-Ra St. Brown, rookie. And a Nico Collins, rookie card. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Later. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Big West, he can be center field.